So next we'll see the conditional statements. These are very important. Okay, and in any programming language we'll have such statements. Okay, so what it does, it is also doing kind of a comparison. Okay, so it is, as the name suggests, it is conditional based on some conditions. If the conditions are met, some output are given. If the conditions are not met, some other output is given. Okay, so if you see, if this condition meets, then some commands need to be executed. That's what the if statement is all about. So if you see, if it starts with if and it should end with fi, the reverse of it. Okay, so most of the times you'll find such syntax uh, for conditional operators. Then first was if the condition met, some commands will be running. Similarly, there is also one more option, elif. First it will condition check the condition 1, then some commands will be running, then it will check the other condition. So given elif, okay, else it will give all the outputs. So if elif, else, and then fi, it's ending with this. Okay, and instead of elif, okay, we can have only else. So most of the times we'll not be using elif. Okay, for initial condition we just use elif. Okay, so most of the times we'll be using only if the condition is true, then do else, then close it. Okay, so let's do the same thing which we did in the last exercise. Okay, that is this one, but here it was giving output in zeros and one, and it is for the end user it is not clear properly. So let's modify that one using if then else. Okay, so for equal to, okay, if you see equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, we also have some statements. Okay, like equal to, rather than writing double equal to, okay, and exclamation equal to, we can also write this keywords, that is equal, eq, ne, lt, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, and all. And this is also possible. So this two ampersand sign or and sign means and means adding. Okay, and or means, you can see uh, whether this condition or. Okay, so that is or, that is also possible, but we'll be using this equal to here in this example. So for first, what we have done is we have set number 1 equal to 10, variable 1 is set as number 10, number 2 variable is set as 30. Then in if statement, okay, so if you see, it needs to be in a square bracket. So in square bracket, we are just checking if the value of number 1 is equal to number 2. Okay, if it's true, then it will print it on the screen that the number is equal. Okay, else it will print number is not equal. And as I said, when it start with if, it should end with fi. Okay, then the second condition, not equal to, is checked. Okay, if number 1 is not equal to number 2, then again it will give the output. Similarly for less than and greater than. Okay, less than equal to, greater than equal to. So the main thing is we just perform some operation, we just check the condition is true or not, and based on that we'll give it gives the output. So this is the conditional statement. Let's run it. Bash condition.sh. 10 is not equal to 30, we know that 10 is not. Okay, maybe I've written twice something. 10 is less than 30. Okay, so this is how we can compare, and this is all about conditional statement as well. Okay.